guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have yet another Boxycharm box. I'm very excited. I just got my Boxycharm box for the month of March and I'm super excited to find out what's on this box because I heard a lot of great things are in here. Very excited. I did not peek once again. I tried my best not to peek, although I did hear a couple of things that were going to be in here, but I have no idea what they look like. I just heard. But yeah, I'm very excited. So if you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is, again, a monthly subscription. You sign up for $21 a month and you get in this box a couple of items full size and they equal to $100 or more, which is awesome because you only pay $21 for this box, and the quantity of the products inside the box are pretty good. I signed up back in, I believe it was August last year, and I did get my first box in September, I believe, and if I'm not mistaken, hopefully. And so far I've only gotten one horrible box that I did not like, but out of all of those boxes, I'm very happy with Boxycharm. So if you guys are interested in Boxycharm, I will leave their website down below so you guys can check them out and maybe sign up. I don't know. But anyways, if you guys want to see more of what is on this month's box, then just keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give my video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so first things first, in Boxycharm you always get a flyer with the month's theme, and this month's theme is vacation, which is perfect because I have been seriously needing a vacation really bad. This is definitely a hint. So this is this month's theme, vacation, and then in the back of the card you get a list of the products that you're getting, what the retail full-size value is of the product, and what the product is, and blah blah. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I get from the box is this Pretty Vulgar blush. It looks like this, very pretty. I don't have anything from Pretty Vulgar and I can already tell it looks very fancy. The packaging is very light. It's not heavy at all. I don't know if you might think it might be heavy because it is pretty packaging and it looks pretty fancy to me, so I would think it would be heavy, but it's really not. So this is what a packaging looks like. Very nice. And this is the blush. So this blush is obviously by Pretty Vulgar. It's called Hush Blush, and this blush retails for $26. So this blush by itself is already paying for your box, which is $21, which is insane. And I love the shade. This is an awesome peachy shade. So what it says here on the flyer says, make them blush. Powder blush awakens your complexion and provides a natural glowy flush to your cheeks. This silky smooth formula is long wearing and highly pigmented. The buildable blush powder can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop of color that will flatter any complexion. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it with my finger, that way you guys can see the shade. And that's what it looks like right there. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it in the back of my hand. Oh, this is such a gorgeous color. It's definitely going to be perfect for spring. Very nice. I'm excited to try this out on my cheeks. Super pretty. Very excited. Next thing that I got is this South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. It looks like this. So I'm guessing this is for your under eye. It's right there. So this 3-Eye Gel Pack says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes your eye area, which is perfect because if you guys already know me and if you guys have been following me, you already know my under eye area is a huge problem for me. I have crazy dark circles and it's definitely a pretty dry area for me too, and sometimes it can be puffy as well. So very excited to try these out. So this South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels retails for $10. So very excited about this. The next thing that I got is this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. Never heard of this before, so I'm very excited to try this out. That's really cute. It has a little bird there. I don't know if you guys can tell. Super cute. So this Butter London mascara, it retails for $20. And it says get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and 314% increase in lash curl. Wow, that's some pretty gnarly statistics right there. The interlock nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from the root to tip. So this is very exciting and interesting. I'm very excited to put this to the test with those kind of claims right there. 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. That's crazy, but we'll have to see. I've never heard of this mascara before, so very exciting. I don't think I've ever seen it as well, so I'm excited to try this out, and it's a huge tube of mascara, so very cool. Let's check out the wand. Oh, the wand is pretty cool. It looks like this. This type of wand definitely does give you some type of volume, because I've tried these types of wands before and they definitely do give you volume. So very excited to try this out. So again, this is the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. The next thing that I got is this Smoky Eye Brush Set by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. Never heard of this company before, so I'm very excited to try this out. This is cute. I didn't even see this. This is nice. So it's 3 brushes. This brush set retails for $23.15, which is pretty good. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys the brushes. So these are the brushes. They're very, very cute. They kind of have like an off-white color on the handle. Very, very cute. So, oh, it actually tells you the steps here on how to use them. So step 1, it says for the money. Alright, so I'm guessing if I use this, it's going to give me some money. And then where's step 2? Step 2 is this one. So this is for the shadow. So this is an angled brush. By the way, this is kind of like a shadow brush, a packing brush. And this is an angled brush. And then step 3, it says go girl go. So this is kind of like, what is this? This is like a smudger brush. Yeah, it's a smudger brush. So very, very nice. Pretty cool trio. Very excited to try those out. Alright guys, so last but not least, I got this Boxycharm collaboration with Per Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. Very, very excited about this. I am very familiar with the Per brand and I know their eyeshadows are really good. So this retails for $36, which is another win for me. So let's go ahead and check out how the palette looks like. Very excited. So, wow, this is amazing. I'm going to take out the clear protector right there. So it does come with a mirror, which is nice. The shades, you guys, so pretty. The names are right here on the side. You guys, look at this. Look how gorgeous these shades are. So I went ahead and swatched this one, which is Boxy Black, which is obviously this one right here. And it does have a little bit of glitter. So that's Boxy Black. This one right here is ATL, which is this one right there. So again, that's ATL. This one right here on my ring finger is Bay, which is that one right there. Oh, love this color. And then this one right here is this one, which is Alliance right there. Super, super pretty. I'm going to go ahead and actually swatch this blue one because I'm dying. Oh my god, look at that. Look at those shades, you guys. Very, very pretty. Oh, you guys, I went ahead and swatched these two right here and then this one right there. Oh my goodness, they are so gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Look at that, you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they are so pretty. Alright guys, and that was it for this month's Boxycharm. Definitely a win for me. I loved absolutely everything in this month's box, especially this palette right here by Per Cosmetics and Boxycharm. Very excited about this. I cannot wait to create a look with this. The shades are just so beautiful and very buttery, and I just honestly, I cannot wait to create a look. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram, I highly recommend you guys do. I will leave my username down below so you guys can follow me, but it's at AlexTheLeo07. Definitely follow me there. I do post some makeup looks there, and I also post a lot of my makeup collection. Again, if you guys are interested in Boxycharm, I will leave their link down below so you guys can check them out. And that was it, you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave for more upcoming videos, and give my video a thumbs up. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Take care. Bye.